Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to enable auto replay from Gmail on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Gmail app. So this is my email account. If I just want to send auto replay, so how to enable this option from my mobile phone? So in your right hand side corner you will find a 3 lines option. Just hit the button, it will find you all kind of details. Just click the settings option. So once you choose your account, just scroll down, you will have your option called out of office, that is auto replay. It is disabled, that is if you want to enable this option means just hit the button, automatically it will move into out of office. So when it should be stopped. So auto replay, if you want to enable means just hit the button, automatically it will be enabled. Yes, as you see here, so you can give here, so 10th July to not set the last date. So just give a title, thanks for your mail, and you can give your whatever information, your mail. So we will be get back to you, we will be get back to you, like that. If you set means send my all contacts, so send to my all contacts only, or any new contacts also you can give. So if you want, you can enable this option, otherwise just click done means your auto office setup will be enabled. That is, you are out of station from 10th July onwards, it will automatically, whenever you are sending the message, automatic reply will go back. So what is the reply I have given, we will get back to you, and you can give regards your name and your details, everything. So simple and easiest way you can enable your auto replay, so that you won't miss any types of conversations. So automatically you will reply to the clients, so that it will be easy for you to access your things from your mobile phone itself. You can access all type of mails using your Gmail app. If you want to disable this option, the same thing, just disable this option, automatically the disable will be happen over here. Just click the done option. So you can enable as well as the disable, you can give the message, so that it is easy to have access. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.